At Shalina Healthcare, we're very clear that we're here to serve an unmet need in Africa. And so we always abide by our mission of quality that is affordable and available. And that extends not only to pharmaceuticals, but then to consumer health, and now also in our diagnostics division.
Shalina Healthcare has historically always sourced its pharmaceuticals from either India and China. And in the last 5 years, we've strategically decided to expand our manufacturing capabilities onto the continent, made in Africa for Africans.
So we have started with one manufacturing plant in Nigeria, a second in Angola, and we are currently evaluating where else to expand. Our supply chain is very global in nature, so we have offices across the world ensuring that we, first of all, qualify our suppliers as meeting the quality standards.
Good manufacturing practice, along with the quality controls, give us what we call quality assurance. So the quality is built in to the product from the point of sourcing of the materials through the process before it gets to the final consumer.
All of the plants that we manufacture in, be it our own plants or third parties that we partner with, all meet WHO GMP standards, as well as the local regulatory requirement of every single country that we're in.
We have different stages of testing. When the raw materials come, then during the process of manufacturing at different stages inside the production area. And afterwards, when the goods are finally packed, there is quality analysis for the different parameters to ensure that the product meets with the right quality specifications before they are released for market.
Pharmacovigilance is very important for a pharmaceutical company to ensure the quality of the medicines that we have on the ground. So this is a system where we've done full training across all of our countries so that if there ever is an issue with the quality of any of our medicines, we are able to deal with it quickly and appropriately.
One of the biggest challenges the continent faces is counterfeit drugs. Unfortunately, these products affect the life of the patients in this continent. We are very proud to tell that we are one of the companies which is 100% compliant with what NAFDAC wants, and we ensure that we help them with all kinds of fights to ensure counterfeit and fake products are not coming to this country.
So quality is really at the heart of who we are, no matter whether it's the raw materials that we're buying, the packaging materials, the processes that we follow in our factories, or the third parties that we engage with.
We believe that the indigenization of manufacturing is good for Africa. Transferring the technology from countries like India and China is beneficial for the long-term development and capability building on the continent.